Hello everyone and welcome back to 1 Minute Tips. I am Tim from Ecwid e-commerce and today's topic is how to write good product titles. So in order to write good product titles, you need to know two things. You need to know one, who your target audience is, and then two, what they are looking for. And then when we write our titles, we are going to write titles that specifically address the things that they want to know. The name of the brand, the size of the product, the materials that it's made of, anything that is simple and has keywords that would encourage them to click on that product. So for example, let's say I'm selling dining room chairs. What I would not want to do is title that product something like Breakfast Throne of Dreams and Wonder. It doesn't tell them anything that they need to know, and it's not something they will be searching for on Google. A better title for that product might be Mid-Century Modern Dining Room Chair Mahogany. It tells them the style of the chair, it tells them what it's used for, and it tells them what it's made of. Three things that would be compelling if that's what they're looking for and encourage them to click that link. And that, in a nutshell, is how to write a good product title. Whew.